In that bow tie, I'm officially it. Your help is coming. Might as well press. I'ma need you to have faith, that's what he said, and let's fly. I learned in life a real man should never have his hand out. It's hard labor, dedication is a man's route. Take ownership to what comes out of a man's mouth. And I'm never sitting down, that's why I stand out. God grace favors the humble, but gotta lose the pride. And I gotta admit that I struggle with pride. But I question God, how you let go of the pride when you got a lot of hurt and pain built up inside. In my prayer life, God never answered it. Experiences going through life is how I handled it. My life is nothing without God in it. My growth, mommy, you played a major part in it. Played mommy role, but at times you fathered it. Every number in that bow tie, I'm officially it.